Again, continuation, no? This is continuation, episode 2 of explaining Arwen ergometer, in which I base the study and research all in the stress test. Again, here, again, much more explain, no? Again, thank you for the Philippines, in which, no, na-star, you understand, no? Again, para gitaw ni sa toa, in which, no, nga, ako ginighimo para gid sa toa, especially for the Filipino people, no, nga, in which wala kita insurance, no? In which lagi maminaw kas radyo, ilaron ta, mutano kag TV, ilaron ta, nga pagtutuno, na therapeutic effect, no therapeutic effect, mao lagi na no, nga sus, mahuruto na itong kwarta, kada lagi ipalit ni mong tambal, ipalit na thirsty, no, thirsty fruits, yeah? Again, here, no, much more funny here in the Cebu, Philippines. Why is it? Again, balik-balik na, in which, no, magbalik-balik, mag-indot, maguna sa ida. Okay, here, no, the Arwen ergometer is based on this one, yeah. Again, the same with you sa imuhang stress test, kuhaan kag blood pressure and pulse rate, yeah. So again, thank you, Doc, no, hinatag ni Doctor. Again, special thanks to Freedom, YouTube, Google, and Facebook, no, by supporting with me, spreading the good news. Again, ang ato laging Arwen ergometer, mo lagi nang pag-base na to, pag-study na to by 2012, in which we base this one, the cerebral cortex, in which the mata, in which here's the eyes, no, sensory, motor, no. So here is the ears. Again, that's the ears, no. Kaya sa artista ni siya nga ears ug eyes, no. Kung ibutang kay mo lagi niya mas nindot magud yun, dali kay masabtan sa tao, no. Anterior cingulate cortex, no. Again, that's the brain. Again, the part of the brain. Mo lagi na eyes can see and ear can hear. Perfect for the brainstem. Ayo ka. This is the brain. Again, so here again, all of that is in the brain, no. Again, it's all on the brain. No, karon sa about nga man na lagi, I'm done, no? Me here, yeah. And then here, we're launching the electric scooter, in which nga man ako sa environment, and now tourism and the health of people, in which proper exercises, in which nga humana and man ako sa exercises, in which nga it's up to you. Too much of everything is dangerous, man, in which mo lagi ni pasar sa laboratory test ang kinis lang duha, buwak gid ka pasar, no. Again, nagtumar na pumugtambal nga sakit mo lagi mo, in which bago maning Arwen ergometer. Again, so karon ako explain, no, mas more fun here, no. Arwen ergometers, the price is 4-5, yeah, you can upgrade mo lagi to tanan, no. So here, based on the stress test, no, in the London, America, and here, no, the studies in which nga nag-start na lagi, and this is our old management, in which no, ang America amazing, no, wala lagi amazing is about nga, uy, tanan lagi atong gisulti, no, in which no operation, no injection, no medicine, no, again here, tanang sakit, no, sa mga wrong lagi ni ilaha, kini sila okay ni sila, basta mo twice a week lang ka mo Arwen ergometer, healthy ka. Again, ipadako na to sa Texas Heart Institute para lang ginis to my old viewers, no, and to all people nga, thank you for your support, especially the Cebuano, no. Okay, 4 hours before, no coffee, no tea, no soda, pain reliever. The doctor before and after, blood pressure at the back, no, electrograph, no, machine, in which in here, no, again, resting ECG mo na, no. So here, save the date, no, and when all the cardiologists, no, during the stress test, here, no, we asked to walk on a stationary bike. The doctor, the technician, treadmill, and stationary bike, wala gilain niya, dili basketball, dili golf, dili volleyball, dili takyan, dili shuttle, no, and which walking or pedaling uphill, no. Again, maulagi to kay umuubos imong BP, that's the sign of shortness of breath, or padung ka makuyapan, or mo chest pain, baka mo na nga naakoy proper training program, no, in which intellectual property. So again, thank you to the Mayo Clinic, yeah, to the Heart Association, yeah, for stress test, no. Again, bagutan nga para gitaw ninyo heart pump harder, no, here harder and faster. Why is it, no, para mo lagi na matangtang imong cholesterol, no, in which we do it now 15 to 20 liters of blood lagi i-pump sa imong heart per minute, anak kadag kusgo, no, in which treadmill lagi, stationary bike sa Mayo niya, again, Mayo Clinic. You can browse that in the Google, yeah. And then may drop during immediately exercise, no? Low blood pressure. Mao na, no, may drop during immediately after exercise, cause dizziness, goes away when you stop exercising. Again, di ka madlo, yung sabi, then the arrhythmias, abnormal heart rhythms, that arrhythmias no, goes away. You stop exercises mo lagi no, heart attack, myocardial infarction, provoke heart attack no, wala pa kayo na. Mao ni atong be careful in which we study that documented no. Again, this is the Mayo explanation of the Irwin ergometer in which we base no, during an exercise stress test, sticky patches or electrodes on your chest, legs and arms no. Electrocardiogram ECG, the blood pressure cups is placed on your arm to check your blood pressure during the exercise test no, stress test no. Then you begin slowly walking the treadmill, pedaling or stationary bike. As the test progresses, speed and incline of the treadmill increases no. Maulagi na no. A railing is provided of the treadmill that you can use for balance no, but don't hang on it no. It has a miscue the results of the test no. On the stationary bike again there are the resistance increases as the test progresses. So here again yeah, perfect ang Irwin ergometer, making it harder to pedal. Again here during the test you may ask to breathe into tube no, to measure the gases of your breath as you exhale no. Again, no basketball, no volleyball, no golf, no tennis, no football, no swimming, no yoga, no boxing, no tennis. Huwag pa stress test ka. Again, please, thank you. And that's the Irwin ergometer study and research. Mao na diha gikan ang Irwin ergometer na ginang nakapasa laboratory test in which failed yan no. Again, so here again this is the Irwin ergometer in which we use this one yeah. Again before no. Oh, mo ni atong weights no, in which pobre na lang gikayo, gibutangan ng tubig in which itimbangon ta na. So here no. Again mo lagi to papilion ta ka kini ba nga pinubre lang in which no here and then nalagi na timbangan ice and sears no. Again so napo ko timbangan nga usa gamay no. Again Irwin ergometer nga gibitay no. So here again pobre mo ni ako ari kumutreat sa mga pasyente no, in which we perform here the Irwin nga before no, before tato management and then karon no, especially nga na kay race uy ulan kay diri sa Pilipinas no, in Cebu Rodriguez. Uy, ari ra ko sod sa balay, di lagi maulanan, dili malisan, di mapakano giro. In which unique ang Irwin ergometer. Artisatina po, naka-Irwin ergometer.